Hey guys, in this video we are exploring Burj Park, Dubai Mall and the infamous Burj Khalifa. The Burj Khalifa isn't just a skyscraper made of steel and glass. It's a symbol, a real-life monument to freedom, vision and the sheer power of believing in the impossible.
Welcome back.
Burj Khalifa is right in the heart of the downtown Dubai. It's surrounded by some of the city's biggest attractions like the Dubai Mall and Dubai Opera. And all these iconic landmarks situated just behind the Burj Park. The park is open 24 hours a day, allowing visitors to enjoy its amenities at any time with free of cost. This well-landscaped area offers visitors to relax and enjoy panoramic views of the city's skyline. The area has a big well-maintained walkways and we can enjoy Burj Lake nearby it. Visitors can enjoy boat rides near the Burj Khalifa by renting traditional Abra boats on Burj Lake. These 30-minute cruises offer an up-close view of the Dubai Fountain Show and the surrounding landmarks. Abra boats have a rich and long history with Dubai that dates back centuries. These traditional wooden boats were used primarily for crossing the waterways of the Dubai Creek. The Dubai Fountain offers daily performances. Each show lasts approximately 5 minutes. During public holidays and the holy month of Ramadan, show times may vary. The Dubai Fountain, offering a mesmerizing blend of water, music and the light against the backdrop of the iconic Burj Khalifa. It recognized as a world-famous tourist attraction. The Dubai Fountain attracts millions of visitors. The waterfront promenade, located just outside the Dubai Mall, offers an up-close view of the fountain and Burj Khalifa. As night falls, the fountain's performance becomes even more enchanting, with illuminated water jets dancing to music set against the backdrop of the towering Burj Khalifa and the twinkling lights of the city. Burj Khalifa is not just a building, it's a global icon and a symbol of Dubai's ambition and rapid growth. Standing at a towering 828 meters, it holds the title of being the tallest building in the world since its completion in 2010. It took approximately 6 years to finish this architectural marvel. The exterior of the Burj Khalifa is covered in glass, stainless steel and aluminium. The Burj Khalifa has a total of 163 floors above ground and 2 additional basement levels. Over 22 million man-hours went into this construction process. The architectural inspiration for Burj Khalifa comes from the Hymenocallis, a desert flower with long, elegant petals. As the tower rises, it tapers and spirals upwards in a series of stepped setbacks, which reduce the wind forces on the tower and create a visual illusion of motion as it climbs toward the sky. This is Souk al Bahar Bridge, connects Dubai Mall and Souk Al Bahar, a traditional style shopping and dining destination. The name Burj Khalifa literally means Khalifa Tower in Arabic. Originally, during construction, the tower was referred to as Burj Dubai. However, when it was officially inaugurated on January 4, 2010, the name was dramatically revealed as Burj Khalifa. It was named in honor of Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the late president of the United Arab Emirates and the ruler of Abu Dhabi. During the 2008 global financial crisis, Dubai faced economic difficulties. Abu Dhabi, the capital of the UAE, stepped in with financial support to help Dubai continue key projects, including the Burj Khalifa. Naming the tower Burj Khalifa was a gesture of gratitude and respect to Sheikh Khalifa for his crucial support in helping Dubai weather the crisis and complete this historic structure. So, in many ways, the name is not just a title, it's a symbol of unity and resilience within the UAE. The Burj Khalifa's daily LED displays are one of the most stunning and iconic visual experiences. The entire facade of the Burj Khalifa is fitted with over 1.2 million LED lights, making it the largest LED screen on a building in the world. During holidays or international observances, the Burj Khalifa often displays themed visuals. Fireworks during the New Year's Eve celebrations at Burj Khalifa are a global attraction, drawing crowds from around the world. The Burj Khalifa features multiple observation decks on level 124, 125 and the VIP Sky Lounge on level 148. The Burj Khalifa has more than 900 private residences, including luxurious apartments, and also has offices on the upper floors with a world-class working environment. The Burj Khalifa holds several world records, including tallest building, highest observation deck, longest elevator ride, and the tallest freestanding structure. It attracts approximately 17 million visitors each year, generating around $621 million in ticket revenue. The Burj Khalifa has been featured in several movies, including Mission Impossible Ghost Protocol. Burj Park, surrounded by the Burj Lake, this beautiful landscape park is lined with palm trees, wide open lawns, and neat walkways in the iconic skyline. Burj Park also hosts seasonal events like open-air markets and art displays. This park offers a variety of attractions and activities.
Hi guys, it's beautiful whale here. വരുമ്പോ വെള്ളക്കുപ്പി എടുത്തോണ്ട് വന്നാൽ മതി കേട്ടോ. ഇപ്പോഴത്തെ വീടാ.
Three-finger statue symbolizing patriotism and hard work. This sculpture reflects Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum's well-known hand gesture, inspiring visitors with its positive message, envisioned a symbol of progress that would attract international attention, tourism, and economic growth. Sheikh Mohammed is recognized for his transformational leadership in Dubai and the UAE. Under his guidance, Dubai has evolved from a modest desert town into a global city. His iconic projects includes Burj Khalifa, Palm Jumeirah, Dubai Metro, and Dubai Expo 2020. Near Burj Park, in downtown Dubai, you will find the Wings of Mexico, an iconic sculpture by Mexican artist Jorge Marin. This interactive artwork features life-sized bronze wings mounted on a platform, allowing visitors to stand between them for a captivating photo opportunity with Burj Khalifa as a backdrop. The sculpture symbolizing themes of freedom, belief, and passion. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up to motivate us. See you in the next destination. Till then, bye.